Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. No. No throwing. Put it in your mouth, Bella. Come on. There you go. Nope. No. You eat your bread. Eat your bread. Thank you. You put it in your mouth. You eat your food. Maggie's got her own food. No. Go. Go. You eat your bread, Bella. Bella, put it in your mouth. Thank you. Good job. That's some good bread. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Nope, you put it in your mouth. No, thank you. Hey, stop throwing it. No, 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 no. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Good job, Bella. Chew your food. Are you done? All done? Wipe your hands. Nope, you're not done? No thanks. No, thank you. Nope. I said not to throw it. You chew your bread. Put that back in your mouth and chew it. Thank you. Wipe your hands off. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands.
Mama.
Mama. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. Good job. High five. You left me hanging. You left me hanging. Are you done? All done, Bella? No? Guess not. Don't you throw it. Thank you. Can Mama help? You little turd. I said no throwing food.